Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Window channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, I'm Jack. Before we start the video, we want you to watch this interesting conversation. Then we will talk about the English learning.
Perfect. Everyone, listen carefully. Let's start.
What did you say? You lost your wallet?
Yes, I lost my wallet.
Did you lose it somewhere?
I lost it on road.
Where did you last see it?
I saw it near the shop.
Did you ask people there?
Yes, I asked some people.
Did anyone find your wallet?
No, nobody found it yet.
That is really very bad. Do you have money with you?
No, all money was inside.
Please check one more time.
I am checking again now.
Is there any card inside?
Yes, my cards are inside.
You should block them soon.
Yes, I will do it.
Come home. I am waiting for you.
I am coming.
Okay, welcome back again to our fun podcast. Today we are talking about something every human being does at least once every week, forgetting things at home.
Oh, yes. Keys, wallets, phones, bags, lunchboxes, chargers. Sometimes I feel my brain is working on part-time duty only.
Same here. Honestly, some mornings I wake up feeling smart and organized, but 5 minutes later I am already searching for my phone while holding the phone in my hand.
That is actually very common now. Humans are becoming professional forgetters.
Last week I had the most embarrassing morning ever. I woke up late, jumped out of bed like an action movie hero, brushed my teeth in 2 minutes, wore my clothes at record speed, grabbed my office bag, and ran outside proudly thinking, wow, today I am fast and productive.
And then disaster happened.
Exactly. I reached my car, stood there confidently, and suddenly realized my car keys were still inside the house.
That pain is unbelievable because you feel so successful for 5 seconds, then suddenly your entire life falls apart.
Yes, and the worst part was going back inside the house because my brother was sitting on the sofa watching everything happen. He looked at me and said, wow, welcome back. Fastest office trip in history.
Brothers are dangerous during embarrassing moments. They never help. They only laugh harder.
Exactly. Instead of helping me find the keys, he started speaking like a news reporter. He said, breaking news, local man forgets important driving equipment.
Honestly, that is funny.
Not funny at that moment. I was already stressed. Then after finally finding the keys and reaching the office late, I sat down proudly at my desk, opened my bag for lunch, and discovered I forgot my lunch at home too.
No, that is a complete disaster day.
Yes, my brain completely stopped working that morning.
Forgetting lunch hurts emotionally. All morning you imagine delicious food waiting inside your bag. Then lunchtime comes and suddenly you're staring at an empty bag like a confused detective.
Exactly. I slowly opened every pocket, hoping maybe food would magically appear somewhere.
Hope is very powerful during sad lunch moments.
Finally, I had to buy expensive vending machine snacks that tasted like disappointment.
That should be a restaurant name. Taste of Disappointment.
Nobody would eat there twice.
One time I forgot my wallet while grocery shopping, and not small shopping either. My cart was completely full. Fruits, snacks, drinks, frozen food, chocolate. Honestly, it looked like I was preparing for the end of the world.
That makes the story even worse already.
I reached the cashier very confidently, smiled proudly, checked my pocket, and nothing was there. My wallet was peacefully sleeping at home on the table.
That silent moment after realizing the wallet is missing feels so dramatic.
Yes, I checked the same pocket at least 6 times, like maybe the wallet would suddenly appear out of fear.
Human brains refuse to accept reality immediately.
Exactly. Finally, I looked at the cashier and quietly said, I forgot my wallet. The cashier gave me that sad little smile people use when they feel bad for you, but also want to laugh a little.
Then you slowly walk away pretending life is normal.
Yes, but inside your soul is completely broken.
Another dangerous thing people forget all the time is house keys.
Oh no, keys are tiny objects with huge power.
Exactly, one small key can control your entire happiness.
One time I locked myself outside while taking out the trash.
Classic mistake.
I thought I would be outside for only 10 seconds, so naturally I left everything inside. Then the door closed behind me and suddenly I realized I was trapped outside wearing slippers and holding a garbage bag.
Please tell me neighbors saw you.
Of course they did. Embarrassing moments always attract witnesses. My neighbor walked by slowly, looked at me, looked at the locked door, and immediately understood the situation.
What did he say?
He tried very hard not to laugh and asked, "Beautiful weather outside today?"
That is savage.
Yes. Meanwhile, mosquitoes were attacking me like I was free dinner.
Mosquitoes always appear during human suffering.
Exactly. They can sense weakness somehow.
Another funny thing is forgetting why you entered a room.
That happens to me every single day.
Same. You walk confidently into the kitchen like an intelligent adult with an important mission, then suddenly your brain becomes completely empty.
Then you just stand there staring at the refrigerator like it personally betrayed you.
Yes, then after returning to your room, the memory magically comes back.
Human brains are strange little machines.
Very strange. One time I even forgot where I placed my glasses while wearing the glasses on my face.
That is next level forgetting.
I searched the entire house for 10 minutes. My mother finally looked at me and said, maybe try checking your own face first.
Mothers always solve mysteries immediately.
Mothers are basically detectives.
True, mothers remember everything. Take your lunch, take your water bottle, take your homework, take your brain with you too.
Exactly. My mother once called me 5 minutes after I left home just to say you forgot your lunch again.
Moms have magical powers, honestly. Scientists should study this.
Another terrible feeling is leaving home and suddenly wondering, did I lock the door?
Oh yes, then your brain starts creating scary movie stories immediately.
What if the door is open?
What if a random cat enters the house?
What if the neighbors think I'm irresponsible?
Then you return home to check the door and discover it was locked perfectly the whole time.
Every single time, we trust strangers more than our own memory.
Very true.
Modern life also makes memory worse because phones distract us constantly. Messages, videos, social media, notifications. Our brains never rest anymore.
Exactly. Sometimes I open my phone to check one thing, then 20 minutes later, I completely forget what I originally wanted to do.
That happens to everyone now. Phones are basically distraction machines.
And passwords make life even harder. Every website wants one capital letter, one number, one symbol, and probably one secret treasure map too.
Yes, then after creating a strong password, you immediately forget it the next day.
Websites never help emotionally either. They simply say, wrong password, like they're disappointed in you personally.
Honestly, technology was supposed to make life easier, but now half of our time is spent resetting passwords.
Very true. But even with all these forgetful moments, life becomes more fun because of these little mistakes.
Exactly. Years later, people do not remember perfect, normal days. They remember funny moments like getting locked outside with garbage bags or searching for glasses already on their face.
Those stories become family legends forever.
Before we finish today's episode, let's give listeners a few simple tips. Keep important things like keys and wallets in the same place every day.
Use phone reminders for important tasks and try to sleep properly because tired brains forget everything.
And most importantly, don't feel bad if you forget things sometimes. Everybody does it.
Even smart people forget simple things. That's part of being human.
Thank you, everyone, for listening and laughing with us today.
We hope this episode reminded you to check your pockets before leaving home.
Yes, please make sure you still have your phone, wallet, and keys.
See you next time, everybody. Goodbye.
Take care and don't forget your stuff.